G'day, Artie McDowell from ontoaustralia.com. In this video, I will show you how to find Australian education agents for Malaysian students. I will show you how to use an app. They say that they are the world's only qualified education agent finder app. And they list all of the certified education agents for Australia. So this is the agent finder app. You can find it here. And this is their website. So you can see here they say find agents on the go. The world's only qualified education agent finder. Okay, there's a bit more information here. It says they list all the certified agents who have completed the training course. Okay, and this is the actual app itself here. So if you go to the top, you can search for Australian agents. There are 3,000. Or if you go down to M for Malaysia, there are 96. So click on Malaysia, and then it loads up the 96 here. And you can go through all of these agents and find the one you like. We have another full-length video on Australian education agents. You can click the card at the end of this video to watch it. Here is a summary of that video. Learn how to choose an Australian education agent by knowing where to find them, and why not all agents can help you. Why high school graduates are able to choose the right Australian school even without an agent. 75% of international students in Australia used an agent to enroll. But did you know there are other statistics that can help you to choose the right agent and the right school? Why choosing an agent before we choose the school is a bad idea. There is a better way to choose an agent without putting your education in danger. The best way to deal with an agent that broke their promise and contract with you. And 4 websites to use when doing research on an education agent. You want to make sure you choose the right one. What you must do immediately before you choose an agent. If you want to watch the video, click the card now.